During intercourse, during keriwa, is it possible as a man to release urine inside a woman instead of semen? That means instead of sperm cell. Yes, it is possible. It is a situation we call climaturia. So this thing needs attention as a man. I was tagged in this video above, and then the woman was complaining that her husband released urine inside of her instead of semen, instead of sperm cell. So she was just confused on what to do exactly. Now, this is just a solution for it. Let me first explain how it happens. Now, this is the bola of a man. This is your nyash. Two things happen. This guy here and this guy here, they release fluid. This guy is the bladder. It's released urine, and then you could see that it's only one pipe that leads outside, right? And then this guy too is responsible for sperm cell production, and then it also uses this pipe. So two of them, they guys use one pipe like this, they come outside. So there's an agreement between the two of them. Say, how far if I dey release sperm, I bet let me close your distance so that I'll fit come out like this. This guy agrees, say no wahala. So for a normal male, that is the agreement. So you see a junction here, right? When the sperm cell is coming, you understand, there's a fluid added here, and then this is the prostate. It's also add the fluid. That's why it comes in liquid form. And then this guy will stop, say, Alpha, okay, you can go now. You understand? I'm not ready to come out. So that's the regular thing. So ideally, it shouldn't happen, but it can occur if you have problem with this prostate. That is when you had surgery for prostate. You understand? Prostate cancer or whatsoever is wrong with this thing. And then sometimes, if you really consume so much caffeine and alcohol as a man, you can have such problem. Yes, and if you have some problem with the brain too, maybe spinal cord injury, multiple sclerosis or whatsoever, it can affect you that two of them no go get control again. This one won't come out, this one too won't come out. All of them will follow the same pipe, enter, and then they will release both urine and semen inside of you. So, madam, it is not just only urine is releasing inside of you. Semen also follow John, and that won't stop you from having or getting pregnant, but it's just that it can be irritating to you. I understand that kind of thing. And then normally you say, as you finish intercourse, normally you're supposed to rinse everything. Actually, you go just wear pants like this, they go out. So how won't you feel smell and all of those things? You can tap this thing up here. It will take you directly to the video. So it is very, very important that you take care of your self hygiene, and then perhaps you might also be having bacterial vaginosis or maybe any fungal infection, yeast infection or whatsoever. You say go and check yourself, because that smell, the figure of speech way they explain themselves, it needs attention. So it is possible that something like this happens. So what usually causes it, I've said, maybe perhaps a surgery has been done already. And then what do you have to do? Sometimes you need to just urinate before having intercourse. Sometimes you can use condom, but because you want to be fertile or perhaps you want to get pregnant, you can then use something they call Eurostop. So it's called like this. So after your bula don't stand finish, you go use this thing, take time. You get the gist. It's not this exactly, but it's like called. Perhaps I'll just put the picture up there, and then they will do that. So you need to go to the hospital. And then sometimes some men, you actually need Kegel exercise. You don't exercise, you have big tummy, they drink alcohol and all of those things, so it can cause it. But ideally, they should give way for themselves, you understand? And then this one will come out anytime it wants to come out, not just two of them at the same time. So please take note of that. It is very, very important. I need you to share this video so that that woman will hear this thing, and then it will help anyone that's having any case. What else did she say?
Need deliverance?
So please take care of yourself, and then you'll be fine.